Hi guys, my name is Christina. I'm a hairstylist. Today I have this beautiful high bun tutorial for you. It is super popular right now with weddings, special events. It's all over Instagram, all over TikTok, and I have a tutorial for you. This specific tutorial is going to be on curly hair, and as you can see, her hair, she blow dried her hair. She did her best at blow drying it at home, but I'm still going to spend most of my time prepping her hair. So I'm going in with the Color Wow Dream Coat spray. I spray that generously all over her hair, and I'm using the blow dryer and a round brush from Olivia Garden to really smooth out the hair. My goal with smoothing out the hair is to really hit the root. So I'm mostly concentrating on the zone 1 at the base and that mid shaft of the hair. That's where moisture lives. Keys in hairstyling is definitely not skipping the hair prep. The hair prep is going to be different for everyone. This is just how I like to prep for curly hair. I do want to mention that if you follow me on TikTok, you may have watched this entire service on TikTok live. Sometimes I do go live on there when I have clients. When my clients are comfortable going live, I do go live on there. So you definitely want to use the link below to follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. Now, after blow dry the hair, I'm going to section the hair, and I'm going in with the flat iron. Flat ironing the base of the hair will definitely ensure that the hairstyle will last longer on a hot day, even on curly hair. So I'm going to section the hair and go section by section, get very thin sections so that I can really get right at the base. This entire service took me about an hour 15 minutes from start to finish. Most of that time was spent on prepping the hair. I want to say maybe 45 minutes to 50 minutes. So everyone's hair is going to be different. Everyone's prep is going to be different. I personally love working with curly hair. I have curly hair myself, and it's one of the things I'm just really proud of as a hairstylist. I spend so much time working on my clients, making sure the hair is going to be prepped properly, that the hair is going to last, it's going to look nice and silky, and that they're going to have an amazing experience with me. Now that the hair is nice and smooth and sleek and shiny, we are going in and actually curl the hair. For that, I am using a Sexy Hair Heat Protectant. It's one of the new ones. I think it's called Protect Me. For the curls, I am using a 1.5 inch curling iron from Babyliss or Babyliss. It's one of the old ones, the short barrel ones, but it works great. I do like to spray as I go. I spray section by section, and that gives me a really sleek, polished look. Now, why do all of this work if we're gonna put the hair up, right? For curly hair specifically, but honestly any hair, the more you manipulate the hair, the more frizzy it will become. And also, just as a rule of thumb, if you start frizzy, your hair will end up frizzy. Additionally, these little steps is what's going to give you the best results, is going to give you the best pictures, And definitely going that extra step, that extra mile for your clients will show in your pictures and in your work. Now the actual styling part will take you 15 minutes if the prep is done correctly. So I have sectioned off the front of the hair around the face. I kind of left that for detail as always. I did a pony high up on the crown. You want it, this is the part that your clients are going to see, so you want to make sure that it is as high as your client wants it to be. I do like to do a second pony, kind of like a ponytail height. This is just for bigness. As you can tell, I'm not using the extensions. I didn't use any filler, any of that. This is all her hair. So using the two ponies is really going to help expand the hair. If I were just going to do one, it would look great, but we wouldn't get that profile that just looks so beautiful in pictures. Like I said, this part really took me 15 minutes. The curling, the pinning, and one of the things that I highly recommend if you're working with this type of style specifically, continue to step back and look at the picture. As you can see here, I kind of keep rotating her back and forth, back and forth. I want to make sure that one, the silhouette is beautiful, two, that the style looks nice and balanced. I want it to be big on both sides, and I really want to make sure that it's not heavier on one side. For this front piece, let me tell you, I absolutely loved how it turned out. I did it a little bit different. So I had not flat ironed this section, so I made sure that I went in and flat ironed it so that it was still really silky and smooth. I didn't want it to be puffy because with curly hair, it will get puffy. I did curl away from the face with the 1.5 inch curling iron. I sprayed that with the Got To Be glued and blow dried it in place. And this is it. She looked absolutely beautiful. I cannot believe how great this turned out. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more. Bye.